So for all of you that are into numerology, number 7, lucky number. Let's go on in. Good morning. It's early. Well, 9. I don't know if that's early for some of you, but I've been up since probably 5:50 this morning. I wanted to do an empty apartment tour. I left my selfie stick and I'm not using my camera, so hopefully this works out pretty well. So for all of you that are into numerology, number 7, lucky number. Let's go on in. So this is my empty apartment. I'm gonna try my best to show it off. So there's really nothing in here. I have to put something in this space. Don't know what I'm gonna put there, but I'm thinking about it. My washer and dryer, stackable. There's a lot of cabinet space in here, so I'll have to make do of like a pantry because the traditional pantry is not in here, but I had a big refrigerator. There's nothing in it. I literally just signed my lease probably 2 days ago, and I'm still in another apartment. So I'm taking time to like move things in and out. But I wanted to share this with you guys so you could see my journey. I did start bringing a few things over. The cable guy is actually coming. He's on a different floor right now at somebody else's apartment. So I don't know what I'm gonna put up here. Maybe I'll put a trash can right there. This is my view. To some, this might look a little crazy, but all of this stuff is gonna be built up. So I figured this was a little private until they start building. I have furniture that has to be delivered. So I'll probably put a table right here. There's no lights in here. We actually have to add light fixtures. I brought my rug here. And so, nice little area rug. My TV will go here. I have a couch coming to go there, and a little side chair, and a little ottoman. I do have another table I want to bring here. It's a lot of light that comes through, which I really love. Most of my apartments have been super dark. So I'm really happy to have all of this light in here. Looks so good. So this is my bedroom where all the magic happens, right? Right. All the magic happens here in the bedroom. Better believe it. The bedroom is small. Still has a nice little window. This has a fan and a light in here. I have another light that I'm gonna bring in here anyway. I ordered a queen size bed, so hopefully it will fit because I have 2 small nightstands. I'm into this whole organizing and having like a minimalistic type of lifestyle, kinda. So I really wanna have like things organized and set up. So this is pretty dope, actually. It depends on what you're into. I can still like, you know, hang my clothes in there. And on the bottom, there's storage. So do you see how that's like separated like that? And there's storage at the top. So I opted for this. I love walk-in closets, okay? But this is a good way for me to like organize everything, get rid of a lot of stuff that I'm not using, that I'm not making use of at all, that's just sitting there. So I can see everything and be like, oh, I'll keep this, oh, I'll keep that. Let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. I do not have a tub, but that's all good. That's me. Wipes from Walmart. Yep, Walmart. But it's a pretty good space. Nice size shower. I was thinking I'll make this bathroom like pink, black, and white. This is not a closet, but there is storage space in there. Well, it is a closet. Like, this is it. Hopefully, I can make it look really good. It'll be nice to wake up to this in the morning, I think. You know what I realized is like the furniture that I had everything was dark. The entertainment center was dark. The couch was dark, like black. Everything was black, and like I'm replacing it with everything that's like light. My table is white. You'll see when it comes in. I kind of want to get into the whole feel of, you know, pastel colors, light and airy. I'm trying to change my whole vibe, you know, make everything more inviting. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know if the next one is going to be the apartment being furnished or the furnished apartment tour. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet because I still haven't edited the table video. I didn't even finish the table yet because I have so much to do. FYI, I moved over here to be closer to my shop. If those of you that don't know, I am an esthetician, and I have a shop where I do lashes and brows and waxing and tinting and all that fun stuff. So I'm waiting for the cable guy. He's gonna come set up the internet because that's all I need. And the apartment video, furnished, coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you're interested. Peace.